Making 25 kilograms of full steam chicken broast at home is a massive undertaking and will require careful planning and preparation. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you with the process. Ingredients. 1. 25 kilograms chicken pieces, mixed parts like legs, wings, breasts. 2. 5 kilograms all-purpose flour. 3. 1 kilogram corn flour. 4. 500 grams rice flour. 5. 2 liters buttermilk, yogurt diluted with water. 6. 1 dozen eggs. 7. 1 liter water. 8. 2 tablespoons garlic paste. 9. 2 tablespoons ginger paste. 10. 4 tablespoons red chili powder. 11. 2 tablespoons paprika. 12. 3 tablespoons cumin powder. 13. 3 tablespoons coriander powder. 14. 2 tablespoons garam masala. 15. Salt to taste. 16. Oil for frying. 17. Lemon wedges and fresh coriander for garnish. Instructions. 1. Preparation. 1. Thaw and clean the chicken pieces thoroughly. 1. Pat them dry with paper towels. 2. In a large mixing bowl, prepare the marinade by combining buttermilk, water, garlic paste, ginger paste, red chili powder, paprika, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and salt. 2. Mix well. 3. Add the chicken pieces to the marinade, ensuring they are all well coated. 3. Cover the bowl and let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 4-6 hours or overnight for the best results. 1. Breading the chicken. 1. In a large flat container, mix the all-purpose flour, corn flour, rice flour, and a pinch of salt. 1. You might need to do this in batches to accommodate the quantity. 2. In a separate container, beat the eggs to create an egg wash. 3. Take each marinated chicken piece, dip it into the egg wash, and then coat it with the flour mixture. 3. Ensure the chicken is evenly coated. 3. Set aside the breaded pieces on a large tray. 1. Steam cooking. 1. Steam cooking the chicken helps retain moisture and ensures even cooking. 2. If you have access to a large commercial steamer, use it to steam the broast. 2. Place the breaded chicken pieces on the steaming trays in a single layer, making sure they don't touch each other. 3. Steam the chicken pieces in batches if necessary, as you might not be able to fit all 25 kilograms at once. 3. The cooking time will depend on the size of the chicken pieces, but it typically takes around 25-35 minutes. 4. As each batch finishes steaming, remove the chicken pieces and place them on a separate tray. 1. Deep frying. 1. Once all the chicken pieces are steamed, it's time to give them a final crispy coating by deep frying. 2. Heat oil in a large deep frying pan or a deep fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 3. Carefully lower the steamed chicken pieces into the hot oil, a few at a time, and fry until they turn golden brown and crispy. 4. Once fried, place the broasted chicken pieces on a tray lined with paper towels to absorb excess oil. 1. Serving. 1. Arrange the broast on a large serving platter, garnish with lemon wedges and fresh coriander, and serve hot. 2. Accompany the chicken broast with your favorite dipping sauces and sides like coleslaw, French fries, or garlic mayo. Note: making such a large quantity of chicken broast requires significant cooking equipment and space. Ensure you have the necessary kitchen tools and safety precautions for frying in large quantities of oil. It's also advisable to seek help from family or friends to manage the cooking process smoothly. Additionally, the recipe can be scaled down to suit your needs. Enjoy your delicious homemade chicken broast feast.